Flight Deck Masterclass. A320. Engine failure after V1. Supported by 4 Stripes pilot shirts.
Clear takeoff, runway 24 left, class 4.
Takeoff. Man flag 67, SRS runway, alt thrust.
Thrust set. (100 knots).
Checked.
V1, rotate. Positive climb.
Yeah.
The pilot monitoring
Yeah.
announces the engine failure and cancels the master
Engine 2
caution.
fail.
Full heading for runway.
Use heading mode to follow runway track, if engine failure pattern dictates so.
Mayday, 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 class 4, engine failure, climbing straight ahead.
Autopilot 1.
When an engine failure is detected, the target speed becomes the higher of V2 or current speed, limited to V2 plus 15 knots. The side slip indicator transitions to the beta target when configuration 1, 2, or 3 is selected, and depending on aircraft type, the following conditions are met. Any engine N1 greater than 80% or one thrust lever above MCT, and the difference between engine N1 values greater than 35%. Any engine EPR greater than 1.25 or one thrust lever above MCT, and the difference between engine EPR values greater than 0.25.
Verify fail.
Engine 2 fail is verified.
ECAM actions.
Engine 2 fail. Engine mode selector, ignition. Thrust lever 2, idle.
Confirm.
Number 2, confirm.
Idle.
With the engine mode selector set to ignition and the thrust lever at idle, the FADEC will attempt an automatic relight.
Engine master 2 off. Confirm.
Number 2, confirm.
If damage is suspected, engine 2 fire push button, push. Confirm.
Number 2, confirm.
The fire push button isolates the engine from fuel, hydraulic power, electrical supply, and bleed air, and it arms the squibs.
Agent 1 after 6 seconds discharge.
The N1 countdown reduces N1, lowering nacelle airflow.
If no damage, engine 2 relight consider. Shutdown. Engine is secured.
Stop ECAM.
An engine is secured when mode selector is in ignition, thrust lever is at idle, and, for a non-damage engine failure, engine master off. For a damage engine failure, agent 1 discharged. For an engine fire, fire extinguished, or agent 2 discharged. At acceleration altitude,
Vertical speed 0.
push vertical speed to fly vertical speed 0. At F speed, retract to flap 1.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
At S speed, retract to flaps 0.
Flaps 0.
Speed checked. Flaps 0.
As the speed trend arrow reaches the green dot, pull altitude selector for open climb.
Open climb.
Set MCT when lever MCT appears on FMA.
Thrust MCT, auto thrust. Continue ECAM.
If no fuel leak, imbalance monitor. No fuel leak. TCAS mode selector TA. Avoid icing conditions. Clear overflow.
Clear overflow.
Engine 2, start valve fault, start valve not open. Clear engine 2.
Clear engine 2.
Land as soon as possible in amber. Secondary failures, air bleed, ELEC, hydraulic. System 1, supplying the bleed system. Clear bleed.
Clear bleed.
ELEC, generator 1, supplying both sides. Clear ELEC.
Clear ELEC.
Hydraulic, green system supplying the yellow system via PTU. Clear hydraulic.
Clear hydraulic.
Status,
Stop ECAM.
Complete any normal checklist. Check OEB if forgotten. System reset. Circuit breaker reset. Consider starting APU. This gives an additional redundancy for electrical power.
Any OBs relight.
we can consider starting the APU.
Start AP. Continue ECAM.
Avoid icing conditions. If severe ice aggression, minimum speed VLS plus 10, green dot. Maneuver with care. Landing distance procedure apply. If no engine 2 damage, consider engine 2 relight, Cat 3 single only. In-op systems, wing anti-ice, Cat 3 dual, engine 2 bleed, pack 2, main galley, generator 2, yellow engine 2 pump. Remove status.
Remove status.
ECAM actions completed.